Arya Online is a premier medical e-learning platform with a global footprint. It has subscribers from as many as 50 plus countries spread all across the globe. Arya Online has 1 lakh subscribers for its websites and over 15,000 registered users for its certificate courses. Roundliness' vision is to equip all medical practitioners with hitherto undocumented and unprinted knowledge, learnt and mastered by practical hands-on experiences by the finest minds in the field, later documented for the benefit of their numerous brethren to come. Roundliness works reinforce and bolster up the specialty of medical practitioners, thereby giving them a valuable edge in times of need. Roundliness' method of thought is that all doctors across the globe should have access to learn anywhere, anytime from pioneering faculty in their desired field. Arya Online makes available such stalwarts of each field who are widely acknowledged as the most experienced and established experts in their respective fields. In its 6 years of excellence, Arya Online has developed 40 plus courses, 5 master class packages, 5,000 plus hours of video lectures, over 1,200 video animations, 200 plus presentation modules in 5 different specialties: critical care, anesthesia, general medicine, obstetrics and gynecology, and cardiology. Arya Online has a strong and accomplished teaching team. More than 600 doctors and 30 plus exclusive competitive exam teachers have taught classes as on date, and more than 300 doctors are scheduled to record content for upcoming projects in the immediate future. More than 110 prominent medical institutions and hospitals in India have subscribed to the institutional access package offered by Arya Online, not including 5 subscriptions from across the seas. The year 2020 saw a landmark for Arya Online in that its courses were accredited by the Tamil Nadu Medical Council for CMEs, the governing medical body in Tamil Nadu, India. The Indian Medical Association, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India, acknowledged the uniqueness and vitality of Roundliness courses and recommended them to all of the IMA's life members across the state. Arya Online has 3 websites: 1. www.aryaonline.co.in, 2. www.aryaonlinecertified.com, and 3. cme.aryaonlinecertified.com, which is an exclusive website for CMEs. For the benefit of users, Arya Online developed 2 easy-to-use applications: the Arya Online app for individual access and a second app, the Aryan app, for comprehensive purchase by medical institutions and hospitals for use by their wards and staff. Both apps are available on both the Android as well as the iOS platforms and can be easily accessed and downloaded from across the globe. Both apps are high-end and deftly configured with 9 special features that ensure user delight. Arya Online records its contents in its own state-of-the-art Hine Studios equipped with the very best facilities to create high-resolution videos with high-fidelity audio, plus the wherewithal to create green screen technology with background animation, and the capability to hold live interactive classes with manpower with a capacity to record up to 25 hours of content each day. All recorded contents available at Arya Online are developed in such a way that they would be compatible with all kinds of devices, mobiles, laptops, desktops, projectors, auditorium screens, etc. Arya Online is also parallelly working on developing modules covering the entire and vast gamut of medicine. We aspire to soon cater to all academic needs of all departments in medicine on our websites and apps. Arya Online has a robust back-end team for academic content, production, technical support, management, marketing, customer support, editing support, server support, end-to-end encryption, authentication for content verification, etc., so as to provide the best possible seamless and enthralling experience to users. Roundlin's aspirational vision is that access to its websites and apps should be at the fingertip of every single physician across the globe, accessing them in proper relevance to their field of work, thus contributing to enhancing their all-round expertise. We are proud to share that Arya Online has received no less than 11 prestigious awards for the invested efforts, including the highly respected Medicol Made in India Innovation Award 2018, an award previously won by Padma Shri Sri Arunachalam Muruganathan, more popularly hailed as the Padman of India. Arya Online was started by Dr. Ranjit Karthikeyan in the year 2014, when he realized that he had, at that time, delivered over 200 lectures and had prepared over 150 presentations himself on anesthesia. Dr. Ranjit realized that the treasure trove of knowledge and reference material in those presentations he had developed could act as a knowledge library on anesthesia to the world, thus, so to say, help prevent the proverbial reinvention of the wheel. And if one doctor had documented and saved such a vast quantum of proprietary material, imagine what every established doctor would nonchalantly be holding on to. And what benefit this amount of pristine material would be to the aspiring physician. That was the eureka moment for Dr. Ranjit. There was no looking back.